Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to start affiliate marketing in this year 2023 and actually earn up to 200k monthly for yourself. You're going to discover how to start affiliate marketing with your phone without a website, even as a beginner. That is, even if you don't have any knowledge about affiliate marketing, this video is going to go a long way in serving you some helpful tips and information on how to start affiliate marketing. Okay, so if this is your first time watching me on this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like this particular video so others will get to discover what you're actually discovering in this video, and also use the comment section to share with me what you feel I should improve on, or the information you need, or the questions you need me to answer for you from watching this video. Okay, in watching this video actually. So now the next step we are going to go into is to discover what you are going to learn in this video. Now in this video you are going to learn what is affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, requirements for startup, steps to follow, that's the getting started, then sales magic, that's how to make sales actually from affiliate marketing, because that was the most interesting part you won't want to miss. Stick with me in this video, guys. Now generating traffic, that's where the money is. Yes, you need to generate traffic before you make sales. Then the possible income, that's how much you can actually make from running affiliate marketing, and also the links to get started. All right, I'm going to share with you links at the end of the video to get started, some helpful platforms that I've been using as an affiliate marketer to earn profitable income online. Okay, so now here we are. Now affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? For some of you, you might have heard of affiliate marketing before. For some of you, this is your first time. That's not an issue. In this video, we're going to sort things out. Okay, if you have been in affiliate marketing but making sales has been your problem, don't have any issue, because in my subsequent videos I'm going to share with you how to make sales. Okay, but for now, stick with me in this video to learn the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay, now affiliate marketing simply means you being a middleman to help other companies to promote their product or sell their product and get paid selling those products. In essence, you get to earn commission on every sales you make. You don't need a website actually to make these sales. I'm going to show you the proven methods to use to generate sales from affiliate marketing. Okay, so now examples of these companies you might be asking that you can use to start affiliate marketing. They are Amazon, we have Digistore24, we have ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and others. There are a bunch of them outside there. I just try to list a few of them here. Okay, most of you might have been hearing of affiliate marketing, you might have been seeing affiliate platforms, but you don't really know how to go about it and actually earn money on it. Okay, now on the side I shared with you the breakdown of affiliate marketing. Now the first step is just actually to select a product. That's after you've signed up in an affiliate platform. You select a product. For instance, if we say a product we are selecting is worth $100, and the product commission, that's the commission you are going to earn on that $100 product, is 50%, then you tend to make a $50. Yes, now for instance, you pick a product that is worth $100 and the commission for that product is 50%. That's what you are going to get after you make a sale of that product, is 50%. Then your profit should be $50. I hope you are getting it. If you are not getting it, please use the comment section to let me know the parts that you are lost, or you need me to explain more for you in this video. Okay, because I really want us to move together. I really want you to understand the basics of affiliate marketing. All right, now let's move on to the next step. Now the next step is, how do I really start affiliate marketing? Yes, this might be the question that is coming to your mind. Starting affiliate marketing can be easy when you access the right mentorship and knowledge to start. Yes, in essence, what you need is who to mentor you in the process and the knowledge on how to start making money using this system. This system can actually generate you a lot of money, like it can really change your life. But then the issue here is you need the right mentorship and you need the right information, which is the knowledge on how to start. Now you might be asking, but what do I need to start? In the next section, I'm going to share with you what you really need to start affiliate marketing. Okay, now these are the requirements. I've earlier mentioned that you need mentorship training. Okay, you need mentorship training, and that's the more reasons why you need to stick with me in this channel to share with you helpful and valuable videos on how to go about affiliate marketing. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be sharing with you more value content, more value videos on how to go about making money online, because that's what I actually do on my channel. All right, now you need either a phone or a system, that's a personal computer. anyone you have is actually good for starting affiliate marketing. You need just your phone, your internet connection, that's the third one. All right, now once you have your mentorship training, that's the knowledge. The second one, you have your phone. The third one, you have your internet connection. You are going to be good to go in affiliate marketing actually. But then there is one big thing you need, that's the consistency. That's one thing that most people do neglect in online business as a whole. Please and please, I'm pleading with you, if you want to run any online business, try as much as possible to be consistent, because whenever you try a method and you feel it's not working for you, it's probably because you are not being consistent on what you are doing. All right, so I will need you to be consistent. That's one of the requirements to make money online. All right, that's one of the general requirements. Now you might be asking, is that all? Not really all. You can start affiliate marketing now. All right, so let's go to the next section to show you more about starting affiliate marketing. All right, now this next section is getting started. Yes, I know you might be asking, share with me the platforms I'm supposed to use to start affiliate marketing, but don't rush. We are not rushing in this video. We need to follow every step in a gradual process for you to understand. All right, so now in the getting started stage, you are going to need to sign up on an affiliate platform, and the second one, you need to select a product. Now it might be either digital or physical product. I really missed to share with you earlier that in affiliate marketing you can actually promote physical products and you can actually promote digital products like softwares, like online courses, ebooks, and other video content online. All right, so you are going to select a product, either digital or physical, then you are going to promote this offer. Yes, you are going to promote this offer, and after promoting this offer, if you do it the right way, I'm assuring you are going to make sales, and that's the most interesting part, guys. You know how making money online is. It might be unreal for some of you because probably you haven't started, or you have started but you haven't seen results. Well, in my channel, I'm going to share with you more ways to make money online. You must make that money online. If you are still with me in this video, use the comment section to type online money, because yes, we are going to be making money online using proven systems. Now the next step is withdraw your profit. After you make sales, what are you waiting for? You withdraw your profit actually. So these are just the things or the steps you need to get started. All right, now you might be asking, is that all? Not really all. You need to know the platforms to run this program and how to start up and actually how to promote their offers. That leads us to the next section. All right, as I've earlier said, use the comment section to ask your question in any part you are missing in this video. All right, so now the next step is the sales magic. Yes, I've already told you that making money online requires you to make sales. That's whenever you make sales for these third-party companies or these brands, you tend to earn commission on every sales you make. All right, but then before you make sales, you need to generate traffic, because you don't just go to their platforms, you sign up and you don't know how to generate sales for them. All right, there are some platforms that might even bring you down, like let me just say block your account because you are not generating sales. For instance, Amazon do bring you down, or let me just say lock down your account after 3 months if you haven't generated a sale. So guys, imagine in 3 months, how much can you even make in Amazon when you do things the right way? You're going to earn a profitable income on Amazon, guys. Now the next step after generating traffic is nurturing this traffic. You need to nurture them. You need to offer value to them, for instance, in form of free ebooks about your niche. All right, so you need to offer them value. You need to educate them on what your affiliate product is. All right, after that, as I've earlier said, you are going to offer value. Now this value can be in form of free ebooks, free informations on your blog, or any platforms that you feel they are going to learn more about what you are selling. Then from there you are going to make sales. All right, is that easy? No, not really as you think. It's not that easy, guys. You can't just make money in 24 hours, guys. You need to put in the hard work, put in the determination before you can actually make money using this strategy. All right, so now the next step we are going to go into is the how do I generate traffic. Yes, this is one of the most important parts, and this is where most affiliate marketers get confused, get frustrated, and quit affiliate marketing. They feel no, affiliate marketing is not for them. But guys, I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is for you, and making money online is for you too. All right, so use the comment section to ask me any question that you feel I need to answer for you. All right, so now you can generate traffic from these platforms. That's Facebook, that's through paid ads or free ads on Facebook, and you are going to get traffic on Google. You are also going to get traffic on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Yes, these platforms are one of the ways, or let me just say the surest platforms you can use to generate traffic if you are an affiliate marketer or you are running affiliate marketing. Okay, in my subsequent videos I'm going to share with you how to run Facebook ads. I'm going to share with you how to use Google to generate traffic. I'm going to share with you how to use Instagram to get more sales as an affiliate marketer. I'm going to also share with you how to use Twitter and TikTok to generate sales. Guys, people are making money online using affiliate marketing these days, and I will recommend that if you are someone who is eager to see that you start making money online, you should use this platform. All right, now you might be asking, actually, how do I learn how to generate traffic from these platforms? And that's why I said subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications, because whenever I share with you a helpful video on how to generate traffic, YouTube is going to say, hey, Mark has released a video, go and watch it on how to generate traffic. All right, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you go down below and subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notification in order for you to get notified whenever I share with you helpful content on how to go about affiliate marketing and making money online generally. All right, so now the next step is, how much can I make per sale? Yeah, as I've earlier said, you earn profit based on the sales you make. That's just the question. Or let me just say, that's just the logic. Sorry, you earn profit based on the sales you make. Now if you make 100 sales and the commission for those sales are actually 50%, then each of those sales you tend to make half of the money that you are using to promote that product. Like I've earlier said in the first or the introductory part of the video, if you are selling $100 product and the company is saying, hey, if you sell this product for $100, your commission is $50, then you should be sure that whenever you make a sale, your commission is $50. If a company is saying, if you sell this product that is worth 100,000 naira and the commission is 50%, sorry, whenever you make a sale, you tend to make 50,000 naira. That's just the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need anyone to block your source of income. Once you make that sale, the company is going to pay you your commission. All right, and you can use your international banks. If you haven't, let me just say, have any international bank, you can go over to my video on how to create a Payoneer account. I shared with you how you can create international bank there to receive payment from affiliate platform. All right, now the question to ask, you might be asking your questions on your mind, or let me just say, questions might be going on your mind. I recommend you use the comment section to ask your question, right? Because this is not a live video for me to interact with you, but then I'm always there in the comment section to reply your comment. All right, so now what is next? Now what is next is the links to get started. Yes, I have shared with you links down below in the description. Go to the description and you're going to see the platforms I'm actually using. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use these affiliate platforms to make money for yourself. All right, and this is how easy affiliate marketing is. All right, so do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification, because in my subsequent videos I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online. Okay, so see you in my next video, guys. Thank you.